Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson we are continuing with regular ER verbs in the present tense, how to use regular ER verbs in the present tense. And in this lesson we are going to use the verb adorer, adorer, which means to adore in the sense of to love. So adorer, the first thing that you always need to do if you're going to use a verb or if you're going to conjugate a verb, you have to remove the ER to find the root. So for ER verbs, you remove the ER and you're left with the root. So here's the root, and then at this point to conjugate it or simply to put it in its different forms in the present tense, all you have to do is pick a subject and then add on the ending that corresponds to that subject. So here are the endings that you just have to memorize. Again, native speakers memorize these endings through practice. For example, if your subject is I, the ending for regular ER verbs is always going to be E, so you just add that to the root. So let's go ahead and practice conjugating. So if I want to say I adore in the sense of I love, I would say in French, j'adore. So we have our root here and we add that ending, j'adore, j'adore. Okay, so the next one is you love, and this is the informal you, tu. And all we need to do is add on our ending here. So you love, tu adores, tu adores. Notice it's pronounced the same as j'adore, tu adores. J'adore, tu adores. He loves. Add your ending. Adore, il adore. He loves. She loves. She adores. She loves. Elle adore. Elle adore. And then finally, one loves, we love, they love. Remember the on subject pronoun, on. So, on adore, on adore. And finally, you love, you adore with vous. Vous adorez, vous adorez. Remember, easy ending. Vous adorez, vous adorez. A note about pronunciation. Remember that all of these forms here are pronounced the same, except for the last one. So, adore, 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 adore. J'adore, tu adores, il adore, elle adore, on adore. And the last one is a little different. Vous adorez, adorez, vous adorez. Okay, so in this lesson we are only working with the singular forms. The plural forms, or the forms that go with the plural subject pronouns, are in the next lesson. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we normally do with adorer. So when we conjugate adorer, one thing that you can do is use a noun following the conjugated form to express the idea that you love something. So for example, here's some vocabulary that's recycled from the lesson on aimer, because adorer and aimer function very similarly. So we have les chiens, dogs, les chats, cats, les ordinateurs, computers, la pizza. Okay, so this is the part you've been waiting for, the fun part. Let's put it all together. So in French, if you want to say I love dogs, you can use the verb adorer, and you would say j'adore les chiens. J'adore les chiens. I love dogs. I love cats. J'adore les chats. J'adore les chats. I love computers. J'adore les ordinateurs. I love pizza. J'adore la pizza. You love, tu adores. You love dogs. Tu adores les chiens. You love cats. Tu adores les chats. You love computers. Tu adores les ordinateurs. You love pizza. Tu adores la pizza. He loves, il adore. He loves dogs. Il adore les chiens. He loves cats. Il adore les chats. He loves computers. Il adore les ordinateurs. He loves pizza. Il adore la pizza. She loves, elle adore. She loves dogs. Elle adore les chiens. She loves cats. Elle adore les chats. She loves computers. Elle adore les ordinateurs. She loves pizza. Elle adore la pizza. We love. Remember, on can mean several things, so let's go with we love in this one. On adore. We love dogs. On adore les chiens. We love cats. On adore les chats. We love computers. On adore les ordinateurs. We love pizza. On adore la pizza. And finally, you love, using vous. Vous adorez. Vous adorez. You love dogs. Vous adorez les chiens. You love cats. Vous adorez les chats. You love computers. Vous adorez les ordinateurs. You love pizza. Vous adorez la pizza. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. And as always, to continue learning French and go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.